grade ones, it's me Robin again. Welcome back for your numeracy lesson. Today in numeracy we are going to learn all about the days of the week. The days of the week, we find them on the calendar. There are 7 days in a week, and I am sure you've heard the days of the week before. So let's have a look at the 7 days in a week. The first day of the week is Sunday. The second day of the week is Monday. The third day of the week is Tuesday. The fourth day of the week is Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Thursday. The sixth day of the week is Friday. And the last and 7th day of the week is Saturday. So these are the days of the week. For example, on a Sunday, you might have family time. On a Monday, we start the school week. On Tuesday, you might have sports practice. On Wednesday, we have a maths test. On Thursday, we go to the library. On Friday, we have a spelling test. And on Saturday, we have our friends' party. So if we have a look over here, grade ones, we can see a calendar. And a calendar shows us more than 1 week at a time. So we can see on this calendar that there is more than 1 week. We can see 5 weeks. And a calendar is an important tool that we use to help us remember important dates and to keep track of time. If we look at this calendar, we can see that the month is April. And we know that April is the 4th month of the year. And what year is this calendar showing us? Yes, it is showing us the year 2020. Another important thing for us to see when looking at a calendar is the days of the week. Can you see them? Yes, very good. The days of the week are over here at the top of the calendar. We can see that the days of the week start with the first day, which is Sunday. Then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can see that the words of the days of the week on the calendar are a bit shorter. It's too difficult for us to write the full word, so we use what we call an abbreviation for the day of the week. So we can see instead of writing Sunday, we just write sun. Instead of writing Monday, we just write mun. And if we have a look at each day, we can see that in April, how many days are there in this month? Can you tell me, grade ones? Very good. We can see that April has 30 days. So it starts on the 1st. And what day of the week is the 1st? Yes, it is going to be a Wednesday. And we can see that the last day of the month is the 30th. And what day of the week is the 30th, grade ones? Good work. The 30th, if we look all the way to the top, is going to be a Thursday. So these are important things for us to remember when using a calendar. But don't worry, we are going to practice together now. So let's use the calendar to answer some questions. Again, we can look for the important information we just spoke about. For example, what month is it? Good work. It is April, which is the 4th month of the year. And what year is it? Yes, it is 2020. And can you see the days of the week? Fantastic. They are over here. So I want you to read the first question with me, grade 1s. Let's start. If Sunday is the first day of the week, what is the 3rd day of the week? Can you remember? So Sunday was the first one. The second one is Monday. And the 3rd day of the week is going to be Tuesday. So let's write our answer, which is Tuesday. And if you're not sure, we can use our calendar to help us. For example, our first day is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The next question is, please read with me. What number day of the week is Monday? Can you remember? Yes, Monday is the 2nd day of the week, number 2. Again, if we aren't sure, grade 1s, use your calendar to help you. For example, we can number our days. Sunday is the first day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Please read the next question with me. What number day of the week is Thursday? I'm not too sure. Can you help me, grade 1s? Yes, very good. If we have a look at our calendar, we can see that Thursday is the 5th day of the week. We can see that over there. Let's read the next question together. Again, we can use our calendar to help us. What number day of the week is Friday? Can you help me? Very good. Friday is the 6th day of the week. Let's read the next question together. What number day of the week is Wednesday? I can't seem to remember. Can you help me, grade 1s? Very good. Wednesday is going to be our 4th day of the week. Remember, we can always use our calendar to help us and look at the days of the week over here. Now let's read the next question together. Which days of the week are school days? Can you tell me, grade 1s? Which days of the week do you go to school? What would be the first day of the week that we go to school? Yes, it would be a Monday. So let's write Monday. And what is the next day of the week that we go to school? Which day comes after Monday? Yes, it would be Tuesday. And the next day would be Wednesday. And the day after Wednesday would be Thursday. And the last day of the school week is Friday. Yes. Very good work. So we can see from this question that we go to school from Monday to Friday. Do you go to school on a Saturday, grade ones? No, we don't. We stay home and spend some time with our family. Let's read the next question together. Which days of the week do we not go to school? Can you tell me? Very good. The days of the week that we do not go to school is Saturday and Sunday. And can you tell me what is another name that we use for Saturday and Sunday? What do we call them? We can call it the weekend because the week is coming towards an end, and normally on a Saturday and a Sunday we like to spend some time relaxing and having fun with our friends and family. Let's read the next question together. Which day of the week is the 10th of April? So if we have a look at our calendar, grade ones, again, here are our days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if we have a look on our calendar, we need to find the 10th. Can you see it? Very good. Here is the 10th of April. And let's see which day of the week it is. If we look at the top, we can see that it is a Friday. So the 10th of April is a Friday. Let's read the next question. Which date is the last Friday of April? So now we are going to look at Friday and see what is the date of the last Friday. So if we go to the last Friday in April, we can see that the date is the 24th of April. Let's read the next question together. If you are on holiday from the 11th until the 27th of April, how many days of holiday do you get? So we are going to circle the 11th and the 27th, and let's count. Grade ones, count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we can see that we are going to get 16 days of holiday. So when we get a question like this, remember we have been practicing counting forwards and backwards, so you can use the calendar to help you count. You will circle the important dates that they have given you, and then you will count. Remember that using a calendar, we have learnt about the different days of the week, Sunday being the first day and Saturday being the last day. The calendar also shows us the month of the year and the year that we are in. So we can see from today's lesson, grade ones, that it is important for us to know the days of the week, and we can use a calendar as a tool to help us remember important dates and keep track of time. So I want you to use a calendar today and fill in some important activities that you might be doing during this time. Thank you so much for joining me today for your lesson on days of the week. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.